Loan, we understand from the reports that have come out so far that the all-party meeting, which was chaired by the Prime Minister, saw you in a very emotional state of mind. Do you think, extremities are destroying the process of Aman in Jammu and Kashmir? You talk about the fact that being downgraded from a state to a union territory, but the Home Minister is on record to state that this is a promise that was not just a promise made somewhere on a political platform, but in the Parliament itself, on the floor of the House, where he said that the state's status will be restored in Jammu and Kashmir. But before that, there are some steps to be undertaken. And as you said, it's a question of ideology, and their ideology was to, end the special status of Jammu and Kashmir and integrate it to the rest of the country so that the entire country is represented by one Tiranga. Are you opposed this idea of the Tiranga, and are you opposed to going through a few phases before you get back to statehood, which is the ultimate goal and objective even stated by the Modi Sarkar?
Look, Navika, I'll tell you something. You are as much of an Indian as I am. Statehood is my right. It's not something like of a charity. Don't brand it as charity. It's my right. I am a resident of J&K, and I want my state back. I want my concessions back. I am not interfering in your life. I'm not you per se, but anybody else. I don't know why every Indian citizen seems that it is his moral duty, that he's ordained to come and interfere in anything that a Kashmiri does. Navika, problem is that most of you have no idea of history of J&K. If you had some element of history that how did J&K become a part of India? It was the people of J&K who fought the raiders in 1947. India had just got independent. They didn't have even their army. By the time the army could have come, the raiders were up till Baramulla. They were stopped by the people. This J&K has been gifted to India by the people of Kashmir. They have fought for it. Lakhs died. Pardon me, you guys did not sacrifice for this being a part of India. We sacrificed. And now you who did not sacrifice will come and sermonize us to us how we have to behave. I'll tell you something. Please listen to me. If you look at the timeline of justice, in 1215, I remember, if I have read correctly, in Britain, there used to be trial by ordeal, wherein women who were accused of being witches were in a ducking method, put in a river. If they drowned, they were supposed to be innocent, but they would die because they drowned. If they didn't drown and they floated, then they were witches and had to be burnt alive. So either way, either they would drown or be burnt alive. So in Kashmiri, if a Pakistani bullet finds a Kashmiri, as happened in the case of the SPO yesterday, you find your martyr. And if the Pakistani bullet does not find the Kashmiri, you find your terrorist. For heaven's sake, who is fighting your battle here, our battle here? It's people like that Rafiq, who was killed yesterday. 20,000 like him lying in the graves. Go and tell them that we have taken your special status away. Do you have the moral courage to tell them? They have given their lives. Navika, what have you given? You tell me personally. Because I see you always on the TV shouting, what have you given? Compared to those 20,000 people. They are resting in the graves. They gave their lives. And you will teach them what patriotism is? Come on. Come off it. This can't
Mr.
go
Sajjad Loan, Mr. Sajjad Loan, allow me, Mr. Sajjad Loan, allow me. I mean, you can't hold the fact that I was not alive or born in 1947 against me. But you're asking me what I have given? My parents, both
Rafiq
my
was killed
parents
yesterday.
were in
Rafiq was
erstwhile
killed
Punjab
yesterday.
of 1 minute now. 1 minute. Now that you have spoken, allow me to speak as well. My parents have walked barefoot from what was Punjab in Pakistan to what is now Delhi and other parts of the country during partition. My mother, who was less than 7 years old then, was in a train where people were coming in and they were picking up girls, they were raping them, they were shooting the men in that train until till I was 15 years old, I saw my mother waking up in cold sweat every night. You're telling us that we don't know what the pain of partition was, we don't know what the freedom struggle was, Mr. Sajjad.
Well, you stop belittling,
किसी को
but
ना अपनी कहानी ज़्यादा
yeah,
दर्दनाक
don't
लगती है।
belittle our
दूसरों की
sacrifices.
कहानी
I'm
के
talking
लिए
of
भी
J&K.
tolerance रखा
I'm not
करिए।
talking of Pan India. I'm
दूसरों-
talking of J&K. This is the reality.
That is no. Why will you
This
not
is the
talk of
reality.
Pan India? Why will you not talk of Pan India? Has Punjab given lesser amount of sacrifice for this country than Jammu and Kashmir?
Navi-
You said I'm as much as an Indian as
I will
anybody
tell you
else,
something.
and you question what sacrifice have others made. I'm telling you, I'm the daughter of Punjab and my families have made sacrifices. So should I also ask for a separate state and a separate status for Punjab in this country?
I
Answer
am
me.
asking,
Should every
I
state
am
begin to do
talking, Navika, yeah, I am talking in the context of J&K, right? I'm talking in the context of J&K. What I wish is my right. That is my democracy. You will not define democracy for me. This is my democratic right, what I want. You can disagree with me, but if I show dissent with you, you can't paint me as anti-national. No, you can't. No, you can't unless this is some new model
And
of
in
democracy.
democracy,
You can't in
certainly,
any democratic.
you
Nowhere in the
are
world.
somebody
Wherever
who
there is
allowed
civilized
in a
democracy, you
democracy
can't.
to dissent. I'm not taking that away from you. I'm nobody to take that right away from you, Sajjad Lone.
No, but you're just
only
demonizing the
responding to
Kashmiris
your
every day on your
question when
TV,
you said-
telling they are this, they are that, they are terrorists. That's all you're doing every day.
Give me one occasion when that has been said. One occasion when we have said that dissent does not have place in this country. I am only saying that in a democracy, you may have your view, but there is another view, and the majority is the way the decisions are taken. Sometimes, yes, it is painful for a set of
Yeah,
people. but do we all begin
I'm
to
not a
lose
great subscriber or a lover of majoritarian democracy.